So this is one way that I've developed to be able to teach students how to practice installing door locks without destroying multiple doors. Basically, I have a frame just mounted outside my workshop, and I've got a door with a section cut out of it so that one student does their door lock. Once we've done it and seen that it's right, we'll take this one out. So we take this one out here. We've got a space left for the next student. They come along with their glued up piece of 70 by 35. Get it so that it's flush with the outside of the door. Screw it in from both sides so that it's really secure. It's not going to move around while they're trying to chisel. And now they've got a fresh area to be able to set out, mark out, and it's nice and solid, and they can do all their drilling and chiseling. Same thing goes for the section with the door jamb. I've got a notch out for the piece of timber so they can, one student's done theirs. They've finished, we take that one out. Next student then comes along, they've got their piece of timber cut, slide it into the door jamb, screw it in. Also got a couple of holes in the back. That means that that's nice and secure. So now that's ready for another student to be able to set out their door lock and their striker plate. And once they're done, next student comes along, rinse and repeat. And it means that this can be used over and over and over without destroying multiple doors.